John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today, and I wanted to show you what two different abrasives look like on a particular part. So on the right hand side, we have an aggressive angular media that's going to etch the part surface really well. It's going to clean off any corrosion, any contaminants, especially the corrosion, the aluminum oxide corrosion that's on parts. Specifically die-cast parts, pressure die-cast, which this is, sometimes are the worst. You get some substantial staining on the part, and so we wanted to show you what the aggressive abrasive looks like and also what the glass bead abrasive looks like that gives you a really nice polished finish, something that looks brand new. Because I mean, when we pulled this out and actually remove the masking tape, I mean, this part looks brand new. It looks like something that you would buy a new OEM part. So that's the biggest difference, to show you the two different abrasives and like how they're used. So obviously this aggressive media is great for coating preparation. If you're gonna paint this or put some sort of coating on it, performance ceramic coating, this is good if you're gonna leave it bone stock as is. Obviously you wouldn't want to paint this surface because it's much smoother and paint would not bond to this part, but over here it would. And also that helps you understand that a vapor honing system can do both operations. It can do coating removal, it can do coating prep, and it can also do finishing work such as this, or just general everyday cleaning. So if you have difficult applications that you need help with, please give us a call. The sales team's here. They're happy to help you and answer your questions. And don't forget our lifetime warranty and our trade-up option to help your business grow as you progress throughout the years. So hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.